You know those video conferencing meetings where nobody's in charge and everybody's confused about what's going on? Today I'm going to share with you 3 tips that are going to help you be more confident and in control of your online meetings. Let's go.
For your next act, Mr. Markus Seppala!
How's it going, guys? My name is Markus Seppala. I'm a stand-up comedian and TEDx speaker, helping you bring more fun to the corporate stage. On this channel, I share a lot of public speaking advice about how you can better engage with your audience, whether that's in the comedy club or in a professional presentation. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Sometimes I feel like every other meeting over Skype or Teams or Zoom turns into a bit of a zoo with people talking over each other and nobody is in control. But here's the good news. If you take control of your meetings as the meeting leader, there are many things that you can do to give a better experience to everybody who is involved. Today I want to share with you 3 techniques that I use myself. For example, I organize workshops about what companies can learn from comedians. I call it leadership lessons from the comedy club. The first recommendation is that you should set the rules. And this means that at the top of the meeting you say, are the mics going to be off or on? Is the video going to be on or off? Do you allow interruptions for questions or not? When people know what the rules are, they're going to be more calm and you will remain in control of your meeting. The second recommendation is that you should make it explicit whose turn it is to speak. And I mean this very literally. Let's assume we're doing a round of introductions. I would go through the list and say, Anna, please introduce yourself. Betty, tell me about yourself. And Charlie, what are you up to? When you make sure that everybody knows whose turn it is to speak, this is better for everybody. It's great for the speaker because they know that they have the spotlight. It's great for the audience members because they know that it's their turn to be quiet. And it's great for the person in charge, that's you, because you will remain in control and remain confident while you're leading the meeting. The third recommendation is signposting. This is where you tell people exactly what's coming next. For example, now I'm going to show you something on my screen. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Now I'm going to mute everybody's microphones. Now I'm going to let in our colleagues from the breakout room. When you tell people what's going on, they don't have to wonder what's next and they will feel more focused on the action. This also applies if you're presenting yourself. For example, at the end of your speech, I recommend saying something like, this concludes my presentation, now I hand back over to the meeting chair. This is so much more important in online meetings than in physical meetings. In physical meetings, you have all these visual cues. For example, when somebody's presentation is over, they will sit down or walk away or something like that. We don't have those cues in online meetings, so it's much more important to make it explicit so that everybody can follow along. So in conclusion, if you want to be more confident and more in control of your online meetings, I recommend doing the following 3 things. 1, set the rules. 2, make clear whose turn it is to speak. And 3, use signposting to indicate where you're going. Agree? Disagree? Put it in the comments. And if you got some value out of this video, please share it. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon, either on the comedy stage or in the next video.